What inspired you to become a tattoo artist?
I have my art skills. I'm doing nail art on nails. So I want to bring my art skills or my talent to a higher level.
Why did you choose Oriana Tattoo Academy, and what did you enjoy the most?
It was recommended by a friend, and my first step was like working with a machine because it's different from working with a pencil and needles. Everything you can do with a needle, with different kind of needle. I would recommend for sure Oriana Tattoo.
How do the instructors help you during your training?
From the beginning, I had guidance. Even if you have a question, but they have all the time, to help you out. Really appreciate every one of them. I didn't know I had those skills also, but probably the shading, working with colors, line work, everything that I've learned so far is just amazing. If you have passion for tattoo, you need to join. You won't regret it. I've been here for I think 5 weeks, and so far from what I've learned, and it wouldn't be without the help of the instructors.
What are your plans after graduating from Oriana Tattoo Academy?
Becoming a great tattoo artist, which I am. Opening my own tattoo studio. I'm gonna be also as great as the instructors over here. My work so far, like these, color also with the butterflies, which I love. Traditional, say that I've grown. So thank you, Oriana Tattoo, all the instructors.